A snowflake 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick fell at Fort Keogh, Montana in 1887. The rancher who discovered it described it as larger than a milk pan. That's bigger than a regulation basketball. It wasn't the perfect symmetrical snowflake you see on greeting cards. It was likely an aggregate snowflake with an irregular, lumpy shape. Most giant snowflakes are made up of many individual ice crystals and frozen water droplets that resemble fuzzy snowballs. As ice crystals fall through clouds, they clump together, gathering freezing water droplets, growing larger. Individual snowflakes are quite small, but sometimes they stick together and create a much larger snowflake. This 15-incher was thousands of tiny flakes fused into one monster. For a snowflake to become bigger than a football, the environment would have to be very calm so the flake could retain its large shape. Plus, there would need to be a lot of moisture in the air for enough ice crystals and frozen water droplets to collect. These conditions almost never happen together. And here's what makes this even crazier. There's no photographic evidence to back up this claim. Researchers now think incredible reports like this are true. Unusually large snowflakes between 2 to 6 inches wide regularly fall around the globe. Which fact surprised you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.